Hey all, it's Dr. Sage Breslin with Willow. Yep, always in the garden. We are here today to speak to one of the questions I had from several viewers, which is, do I only work with women? Do I only talk about male narcissists? No. So the answer is, I work with all sorts of people. Yes, my specialty is definitely working with women who have somehow kind of, developed an accidental magnet for narcissists. And I can tell y'all why, and I can help fix that. But for today, I thought I would just speak to the question of, what about female narcissists? And the reality is that just like Willow here can suss out and sniff out a gopher, if you trust your intuition, anyone that's toxic in your life, you can suss out. I think the problem is when you get into a toxic relationship, your ability to discern those things diminishes. And the reason for that is that you become disconnected from your core, right? From your soul. And the reason that happens is that we inherently know when somebody is toxic or hurtful or harmful. We put our soul away in the vault, right? We don't want it to get hurt. We don't want somebody to sort of suck our life out of us. So we put it away, usually unconsciously. And then unfortunately, all of our superpowers, all of our abilities to be clear and discerning kind of go away. And we begin to adapt to the reality that we're spoon-fed by our narcissist. And suddenly everything kind of is muted and gray and odd, and we don't trust ourselves anymore because look, we chose this partner and he or she looked good until they didn't, right? And so whether you're male or female, whether that toxic narcissist in your life is male, female, or other, it doesn't really much matter. Being able to trust your gut, trust your intuition, or even trusting the intuition of somebody that really loves and cares about you is, probably the most meaningful way we discern what's happening. And, once you discover that you're in a harmful relationship, it's time to get out. My particular niche is working with people who have done this over and over and over again and haven't been able to figure out why. And it's not, let me tell you, not magic. Actually, it's pretty easy to understand. And there's a step-by-step process that we take in order to resolve it once and for all. So for those of you out there who may be men who are in harmful or narcissistic or toxic relationships, I'm happy to speak with you. This is Dr. Sage Breslin, and Willow and I are providing a little wisdom for the day.